How to grow your hair with rice water. Grow hair with rice water naturally at home. See the result. Published by healthdsnooppost.blogspot.com on November 2, 2022.
The starch water after cooking rice is usually left over and it is thrown away by people, but do you know that starch water when used in the right way can make your hair smoother, stronger and shiny? Yes, today I'll tell you how to use starch water the right way for your hair. You can make starch water in 3 different ways. First, soak the uncooked rice in water for 30 minutes. And then drain the rice and collect that water in a mug. This is one way. Second, you can also boil the rice and then collect the starch water. Third, ferment the cooked rice by soaking it in the water that also for 2 days and then drain the rice. These are 3 ways to use starch water and you can use any of these ways for your hair care. Now next step is how to use this water. First, wash your hair with gentle shampoo and rinse it thoroughly. Second, apply this rice water on your hair from root till the end. Third, massage the hair properly. Fourth, leave it for 20 minutes and rinse this with water, and I am sure you will notice considerable improvement on the quality of your hair. Now let's understand how this simple starch water works on our hair. Number 1. Rice water has amino acid which helps regenerating hair. It has vitamin B, C and D which helps in hair growth. Second, moisture can be beneficial for hair, but too much moisture can be harmful. Thus, protein in rice water balances the moisture in the hair. Third, rice water reduces the surface friction of the hair and increases hair elasticity. The inositol in the rice water increases the strength of hair. The starchy element of rice water brings luster to your hair. The logs become soft, which promotes detangling of the hair. Starch water looks simple, but it holds essential elements which can really enhance your hair quality. But there is one question: hairs with low porosity should limit their use of rice water because the protein gets attached to the hair instead of getting absorbed, and this makes it unmanageable. So now I am sure you have understood that. Instead of throwing rice water away, use it and get a healthy, silky, lustrous hair. So take charge, do the needful, and you will have a lovely hair. So have a good hair day.